Police Dog Taylor with his handler Mark Porter. We put some animals of property out. We're just going to ask Police Dog Taylor to locate those for us.
So the Animal Welfare Scheme has proven fantastic relationship building between us and the police. I think it's great that we're all working together and that they're enabling us to have a real good insight into their work and into their animals, and it's reassuring for us, you know, that they're allowing us to come along at any time, see how they're getting on and update us on the invaluable work that they're doing.